Ni kigomano kiria kirehete hamwe anyiti itemi kiro-ini itiganite ruhonge-ini rwa kugitira riboti cia muingi gitaru-ini kia Africa. Umwe wa maria kigomano giki gikurongoreria ari kwarira mibango ya uria riboti cia muingi ikuramatwo na uria mogaruruku megukinyanirio matuko-ini maya manenda cia muingi. Akihingura kigomano giki, Minister wa ukinyaniria Eliud Owalo ni akuranite moritu maria mangetheire mabũrũri ma Africa hoka ni wiyathi nenda-ini na uramati wa riboti cia muingi gitaru-ini giki.
Gives us the opportunity to take stock of the challenges that we have faced with regard to data governance, more so in the face of rapid digital transformation within the African continent.
Owalo ni ataririe uria ucenjania wa riboti gatagati-ini ka mabũrũri ugiteithia kururumura mieke iria iri nenda-ini ya gibiacara na njira ya gutigirira ahuri biacara na aguri ni makinyirwo ni technology na motungata magiriru nenda-ini gutekumakania kuria mari.
If one country has already set up a data center as part and parcel of our cloud infrastructure, how do we ensure that that data center is going to attain optimal capacity utilization levels while leveraging on the demand of Africa as a market for data storage?
Gukiri uguo uhoro wigie ugitiri wa ciana nenda-ini ni wiyumiririe. Owalo akihinyiriria bata wa kugatha mawatho makonie uria ciana ibatie kugitirwo uhuthiri-ini wa nenda cia muingi.
That keeps on cropping up in the face of global digitalization is, are we not overexposing ourselves to cyber insecurity by digitizing records and also in equal measure digitalizing services? And the answer is simple, that we are not going to stop digitizing records and digitalizing services because of cyber insecurity. But we need to come up with a very, very robust risk mitigation framework within the digital space.
MUCIRITHANIA MUNENE Martha KOOME ni oritie kugathwo kwa mawatho maria mabatie kugitira riboti cia muingi, akihithuria ruhonge rwa magoti ruri mutaratara-ini wa guthondeka mawatho maria megutigirira ruhonge ruru ni rweheana igana kwa igana ugitiri-ini wa riboti cia muingi. Kigomano giki giguthie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku igiri. Commissioner wa data Immaculate Kasait agitambura moguni maria mekumana na kigomano giki hari ukinyaniria wa mogaruruku manenda-ini gitaru-ini kia Africa.
We need stronger collaborations. We share experiences so that we can learn from each other's success and failures to be able to build better and leapfrog.
I think we have the best practices because we've already benchmarked with the best of the best in the world in terms of data protection. And now what we are now trying to do is all we need to do is, and that is being done already, is continuous assessment looking at the vulnerabilities of the agencies.
That is what data flows means. A success in free data flows in Africa means that we can transact online and increase e-commerce.
Girifo Teraka Meme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.